base of your throat, or rather in the middle. It's in the center line, and it has just where your Adam's apple is, just below that. So it secretes two non-steroid hormones, that is T3 and T4, commonly known as T3, T4. Uh, they regulate they regulate the metabolism. They increase the protein synthesis, glucose synthesis, and calcium metabolism. This is their main function of T3 and T4. Now, when you come to thyroid disorders, you have hypothyroidism, where the T3, T4 are secretion is very less, and hyperthyroidism, when this secretion is very high. So in hypothyroidism, what happens? Signs and symptoms are generally fatigue, hair loss, dry skin, brittle nails, numbness. You can all read this. Amenorrhea is no periods, or no menstruation, even during that this weight gain, and decreased high heart rate, temperature, lassitude is like, you don't want to do anything, cognitive changes, elevated cholesterol levels, constipation, hypotension. This is what happens in hypothyroidism. So generally what happens is your T3, T4 are very less in the bloodstream. As a result, pituitary starts releasing lot of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, in the bloodstream. So that is what your thyroid test is all about. And you can do it once in 3 months. Hyperthyroidism is more common in women. And this is thyrotoxicosis, which happens because of hypothyroidism or vice versa. So this is kind of, and the third thing is goiter. Now that we have all this iodine salt, we have started forgetting about goiter, but it is iodine deficiency, and it also happens because of hyperthyroidism. Now, location of thyroid on the hand is over here. It is the center line and at the base of second phalange of your thumb. If you have hypothyroid, you can put red color over here. And if you have hyperthyroid, you can put brown color over here. Okay? Please do not confuse between hypothyroid and hyperthyroid, because I will give you, ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, I'll give you all this later, last in the end. So if you have hypothyroid, put red color. If you have hyperthyroid, put brown color. Thyroid nail is left hand index nail, index finger nail, and same nail in the foot. So it has, we have seen it in the center, that if you put something red over here, if you have hypothyroid, it generally helps person to feel better. And for hyperthyroid, blue, black, brown scarves near your throat help. Okay. Uh, Anything else that you want to know about thyroid? Anyone else? Do you want to know anything else about thyroid?
Gitanjali ji, Suman
हाँ
here.
जी, हाँ, क्या सुमन?
I think Bhupinder ma'am is online and would just like to address this to
Yeah, sure.
Bhupinder ma'am? We'll just wait for a minute. She's on a short break, a very short break from her existing session right now. So she quickly wanted to come in and say hi to all of us.
Okay.
And
So,
check.
meanwhile, till she comes, I'll just quickly tell you the causes why hypothyroidism happens. Like sometimes, if you have radiation therapy, hypothyroid, it kind of triggers hypothyroidism. Thyroid surgery, if you had, or autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, pituitary disorders, if you have. Also, some people develop hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism during their pregnancy. Iodine deficiency also is one of the reason. And sometimes if you are taking some psychological psychiatrist or psychoanalyst analyst is giving you medication for long time, and medication especially which has something like lithium, then it can affect your thyroid function. Then this is what is about thyroid. But yes, in Sujok, we have our points. We have to massage them, tonify them, and you can give moxa in case of hypothyroid, and then treat over them.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Please continue. I'm so happy to see Gitanjali. Wow. I'm so happy
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
see you all studying, and I don't want to disturb you all. Please continue your studies. And thank you so much, Gitanjali. And now I should say that everyone turn will come. This was our tradition in clinic in Arjun Vihar Wellness Center. You remember, Gitanjali? We had this
Yeah, I
tradition.
remember how you pushed me into doing this, and I was like, I want to do something simple.
Yes, and uh, sometimes ये प्यारे प्यारे जो souls हैं, they used to say कि नहीं, we will not speak, but I said you will speak. Definitely you will speak, and they are here. You see, so beautifully Gitanjali is explaining, you can understand. And yes, last time Varsha explained so well, and you will see many pearls of wisdom in this group. And next time you will see another soul, and there are so many varieties you will see, and collective knowledge, this collective experiences will make this platform so beautiful. And your knowledge, now you see Varsha, Gitanjali, they have experienced and they are speaking from their experience, you see, and this matters a lot. And next time Antara is here, Antara, you be ready, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, she is our senior student, and also she has very good experience. She is running independent healing center, Varsha, Gitanjali, Anna. So this is so nice, and I'm going to invite all our smiling souls of Wellness Center, and one by one they will come and they will open up, and you will hear a lot of good information. And also, you people, those who have uh, finished your subject now. Oh, Meenakshi is here. Meenakshi. Meenakshi, you please be ready. Your chance will also come. And our new participants, they will also get opportunity. So when you're hearing Gitanjali and when you're hearing Varsha, you have to be ready that you will also get this push. And if you say no to me, I will come to your home.
Then we should say no to you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, we are here. Now you have to, in future, you never know. We can become good healers. We can become good teachers also. Yes. So you have to, be ready with everything. All these beauties. Actually, you all have talents. You all have talents. That is why we created this platform. I'm not going to teach on this platform. This is your turn. This is your turn now to bloom. Of course, yes, I'm there behind the screen, and with new things, new tips, I will come. Of course, yes, I will definitely come. And but next time, Suman, what we can do is one time, one senior, and second time freshers should come on the screen like this.
That'll be a good mix.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so
Thank you so much. Please continue. Varsha, thank you so much. Varsha is compiling so beautifully. Yes. So this is my Turkey seminar going on behind the screen, and I came in middle. I will show,
Okay.
I will just show you, and they are also very keen to understand. So I will just leave this meeting. Okay. Yes. Continue. Continue.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Gitanjali ji, there's a very interesting question asked by
Yeah.
Vijay. He says thyroid is usually looked as a woman-specific disorder.
Specific. Yeah.
Yes, I think that is something very interesting that, if you could put some light on it.
Yeah, it is looked at as woman-centric this thing, but men also do get this thing. ऐसे नहीं है कि it's not only women who get hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Yes, the percentage is more in women. Like, but it's not only women-centric. It's not only women-centric, but yes, I agree. Percentage is more in women, both for hyperthyroidism as well as hypothyroidism. There was another question about